Funky D, everybody. Welcome back to Funky D News Time. Yes, ladies and gentlemen. The news one I won't give out on today and the analysis bust down on Osinbajo again. APC people, the war in APC and the Boko Haram war when we get in that Nigeria. So the Osinbajo own BC, Osinbajo na toilet na that one won't begin to rebuild in the whole federation, ladies and gentlemen. And they don't give another contract. This one now don't come out from because I know say election don't finish. Osinbajo no go share that trader money again or market money again to people when they share and give before. Because election don't come and go. And the election, the way when they attempt now World War election. Even the one now where they do now again now. Kata still day. People they call on people. I don't know who they call again now because Nigerian people they are very, very tired of all this man, the INEC chairman when be Yakubu. Everything when Yakubu, not only make una not forget now, only one, he never even complete 1 year now when Yakubu become a INEC chairman, when Yakubu destroy the whole Nigeria with wayo, with the fraud and sham election. What did they do? Now, they don't we must do another supplementary election. I be the latest one now. Supplementary. Kogi State, how many Kogi Day, ladies and gentlemen? And only 2 states, let me say 2 states, Kogi State and Bayelsa State. Now only these 2 states then conduct the election with them. They are fake gubernatorial election. Now, nobody say they accept the result, the outcome of the result. Everybody say then go court. Even before they say that, before they even open mouth, say then go court. Jubri don't tell they say, make una go court. Make una go court. Okay, what will be the speech when Yaya Bello give, ladies and gentlemen, after I don't go meet Jubri in Aso Rock? I remember say then tell Yaya Bello say Yaya Bello not do anything and the people no go vote for her. And I make them send Aisha Buhari and the other one when be the R5 come Kogi State, come kneel down for Kogi State people, come they beg them. Yaya Bello not do anything. Yaya Bello own almost 40 months, I be 39 months salary. You not pay people. After Yaya Bello don't meet Buhari, una know what Yaya Bello tell Kogi State people. Make una know say these people, man, I don't know the kind heart when all these people get. Yaya Bello tell Kogi State people say the reason why Aisha Buhari and R5 come back Kogi State people be say, then they beg and say, because the work when they do for Kogi State people, say too much, say make it take them easy to they do the job. Say the job when they do for Kogi State people, the happiness when they their heart not be smart. And so them when be the Aisha Buhari and R5 come back and say make it take them slow, make it not help them too much again. Yeah, because it don't too work, it don't overwork. Now the thing when Yaya Bello take Kogi State people after it don't claim, see they don't re-elect her. But the result, everybody they challenge them, ladies and gentlemen. Because INEC, in fact, that name, INEC, Yakubu, the INEC chairman should resign immediately. We don't need this kind of people. Now, make we go down to waiting they happen about the issue of Osinbajo again. Because now Osinbajo matter, I bring out this matter. And I know say all of them matter connect to each other. Because them be wayo people. They don't know what that they do again. They don't know what they want 10 Nigerian people again. Out of ideas, nothing they inside their brain again. Because I don't tell them, I say, all their brain, they don't hack them. They don't harvest all their brain come out. This APC people. Now for Osinbajo now, then the latest contract where they give Osinbajo now to they build toilets everywhere in Nigeria. All the whole 36 states, they want scatter everywhere. The whole street with toilet. They want scatter the whole street with toilets, ladies and gentlemen. in the whole 36 states. Say na toilet they won't begin built. In fact, the toilet went there for international airport in Lagos State there. Go inside there, make you see, make you go see how it be. Go take eye, look. Now they won't build more. They want to build toilet everywhere instead of giving them electricity. A toilet, they don't or say Banjo don't contract again. Now dirty job. Now they give all these people that they do. Why? The Fulani Caliphate them. Now then good they enjoy, you know, the best job in the country. Now, they don't contract before going to the market, share inside poto, sharing market abi traders money. That one don't feel a toilet matana. A whole vice president too. No wonder when Fanika they tell and say, man, very soon that toilet when I want build, now you go they wash am. Very soon they go take you begin to they wash the whole toilet when they Nigeria say Banjo. So people say or say Banjo, make you resign. Funky D say we don't tire to the tell Osibanjo make it resign. Anything when Osibanjo won't do, make it do. If he won't kill himself there, if they won't kill him there, if they won't use them become wash toilet or eat shit when they inside toilet too, now it's up to Osibanjo. The whole bad things, now him, the caliphate, the northerners, they use the south and the southeast people, they do. Bad job. Okay, look at the Ifunanya own. Anytime when they want to do bad thing, they have to send someone from the east or from the west to come and propagate for them, to come and do the job, the bad job for them. You understand, ladies and gentlemen? Okay. That one na for Mr. Osibanjo Funkidi say anything when they like, may they use you do. Now your problem with that. Nigerian people, Hausa, Igbo, Yoruba, all these, once again, I said all the whole organization where we get in Nigeria, then when we see that they call themselves, say, them be freedom fighters. Time don't reach when every one of us in that country to come together to stand against this evil government, to stand against this failed government, where they build toilet for their people instead of electricity, instead of road, instead of hospital. And that, after they fight against these people, that is protest, serious protest against these people, ladies and gentlemen, if we want to separate that time, then people go sit down on round table to separate. Because this thing, when they come, when it goes set, ladies and gentlemen, una no fit do anything again. No. We when be Nigerian people, we no go fit do anything again. By the time when this thing, when they go say, because there is one big hidden agenda on the corner when these people they pursue APC people. Now they're not they hide them. Because action speaks louder than voice. Una they see what that they do. Everybody, the whole world, they see what that they do. The time when they arrest Onohe, all the whole judges, ladies and gentlemen, once again, all the whole judges then quiet. The whole lawyers they're quiet. That is why you see then continue. The first time when they start intimidating the judges and the lawyers in that country to say, "Oh no, stand up," this thing no go reach to this extent where it don't reach today. When we say they don't do them now openly say nothing when they happen. Anything when court like made them talk. Now the one when the APC government won't do, now they go do. It can't reach up to the extent say DSS, not they answer them, the court again. So you see say something is wrong, ladies and gentlemen. Somewhere. I say make una stand up whether you be shite. Make you stand up whether you be IPOB. Make you stand up whether you be Arewa, you be Oduduwa, you be OPC, you be anything where you call yourself. Oto there, all of una. Funky this say make una stand up. Must up, make una join hand together, ladies and gentlemen. Because this fight not be for only Nnamdi Kanu. There is danger coming when una never see. And very soon una go see. Even the things when they happen, we are supposed to say something they happen. With all this, they are going and coming, flipping up and down, misbehaving, giving us false information, giving us fake news. I mean the DSS and the government, ladies and gentlemen. Now them be the founder of fake news. Now them they do the fake news when they want counter in social media. If you not like, because okay, check them out now for a whole senator. I'll be waiting in call himself. When bring out this hate news speech, con they yap say in the state 16 hours 16 hours in front of computer on social media. Somebody won't get job, get family. What time they take they do your job? Because 24 hours make up a day. So which time now, if you spend 16 hours to they monitor people when they talk better thing and you they talk in fake news when they talk, because you be senator, you want to oppress Nigerian people again with Jubri. I say which time they get to do your own job? If every day, because you claim say every day you day for 16 hours in the internet. Which time you they take to do your job, Mr. Senator? Okay, now, they tell us say, in fact, everything when these people they tell us, ladies and gentlemen, na garbage. They never tell us truth one day. I mean the APC government. So that is why from Kidi they call upon everybody when say then they fight, that they agitate for something. Make them come together. Forget about where you come from. After they fight mean the protest. Then una go fit separate, sit down in round table and negotiate. And so things they work. Because this thing when all of us, where this one they fight for this one, that one they fight for this one, is going a long way, ladies and gentlemen. It better make everybody come together, do it together, and not say me you go carry arms, do it together. Do the revolution, I mean, the protest or the revolution together without arms, then everybody go sit down, separate. If you want separate, if they decide, say they want separate, they want to liberate the people, want to go their own way, then they go negotiate and people want go. People want remain, go remain. But if you think, say, now, listen, you know, it got some people when they do social media and when they talk, me when be Funky D, they will say, oh, you don't know what you they talk. You are talking out of point. You don't know anything and this and that. I say, okay, no problem. Today now, everybody they say, make we come together. When I don't tell them, since more than how many months ago, more than 8 months, 7 months, I tell them, say, man, coming together now the ultimate. If you think say that division, as soon as they divide on ourselves, will make you achieve what you achieve. Or actualize what you want to actualize, you are making a hell of mistake. This thing need everybody to come together with one heart. Whether you be Hausa, you know see the government when you get a bad government. Yoruba, you know see the government when you get a bad government. Igbo, you know see the government when you get to Middle Belt, to everybody. Because it is not about, the thing there now is not about 2023, ladies and gentlemen. These people then get a very, very bad agenda against Nigerian people. Yesterday, we see say Jubri, they come and say, in no go become third term. Go sit down. In no go run third term. The second term when you run, the first one when you don't run, according to when they claim that you be the Buhari, look at the way when the man they move for where then they do this their neck meeting yesterday with Oshomola and all those people. So look at the way when the man they take the shake people. You know, say this guy, man, this guy. Nigerian people know what they happen. All of them are quiet. As on are quiet, and so then go rain fire on top on our head. Everybody went quiet. Everybody when they deny say that man not be Jubri. Another man now from Sweden when be WikiLeaks don't come out again. Can't talk say Jubri na Jubri from Sudan. This one now they everywhere na they everywhere. Confirmation Jubri na Jubri from Sudan. He did contract of $500 and something million. Now you take hire him. It's an impostor. The man say the man is an impostor. Everything when they cannot talk, now 100% true. And the mean when be Funky D one. I as I don't make my research long time, the first time when Nnamdi Kanu talk this thing, as I don't make my research, now can see, man, this thing when happen about Jubilee of Sudan, na 100% true. 100% confirm. Now another man, they confirm him. Not be an African man. The man is from Sweden. Everybody know WikiLeaks. Once WikiLeaks doing own thing is confirmed. Even Americans, they know him. Everybody know WikiLeaks. So those kind of people know waiting that they bring come out. This one will not be saying another person when come from Nigeria, na foreigner, a white man, journalist, an investigative journalist, confirmed. So Jubilee is from Sudan. We know that one, ladies and gentlemen. Make una not come to the talk say. In fact, the thing when they baffle me be say the media when we get in that, the mainstream media when we get in that Nigeria, they don't sell all of them. They don't buy their soul. They don't buy all their head. They don't buy their family. They don't buy even the chicken when they're in the house. They don't buy everything. That's why you see, they're not a talk. But one day, from KDC, this thing must to come out. Before the 2023, Nana, WikiLeaks don't come out. It's still coming. It is still coming. And Jubilee no go free. You no go just come and destroy our democracy and just go free like that. Abakiara and Mamadara no go just come destroy our democracy and just go free like that. Somebody like Bola Tinubu, them, all the whole APC members, they no go just come destroy our democracy and they just go free like that. Now, una not see the katakata when they among them. I don't tell una say na katakata go destroy both APC and PDP. Again, I don't tell una yesterday or some days back when they want to rehabilitate 100 Boko Haram people. Again, another one don't come out now. 586 Boko Haram people when they want to rehabilitate again. So, people, when we say that they carry arms against innocent civilians, now in government they train them for, they carry food, our money, they give them for free. In fact, S-Men now don't pledge for another $50 million. No, 50 billion naira. On top the 100 where they don't give them before. So you go know, so when you check all these things, for a government to rehabilitate terrorists in Borno State, Meduguri, ladies and gentlemen, there is something behind this people's agenda. And the thing is not good. And it's not going to go well to Nigerian people. It's going to be a disaster to Nigerian nation. To Nigeria as a nation. 856 Boko Haram, ladies and gentlemen. When government they sponsor, then they tell us that after they don't rehabilitate them, then go just push them enter inside streets because them be repentant Boko Haram or Boko Haram repentant. I don't know what these people they do. So that's why we say they don't run out of ideas. Now, criminals, not to criminals, terrorists for that matter. Terrorists for that matter, ladies and gentlemen, there is something wrong with APC political party. There is something wrong with this regime. There is something wrong with Jubilee, Muhammadu Buhari, according to the way one of the color. There is something wrong with in fact, his advisors. Everybody around them. Everybody in Aso Rock. Something is wrong, ladies and gentlemen. For una to the carry, people want to see, una they tell us una they fight them. So people they tell us say army they fight Boko Haram. Nothing wanna tell us. So why? How in the hell una will come back and tell us say una won't rehabilitate? People wanna know say now then they kill our military personnel. I don't get this joke because this one a joke, ladies and gentlemen. It's joke. People when they kill, una say una they fight them, una they fight, una they shoot each other, and now una they come they tell us say now when they fight them, once they carry these people they rehabilitate them or de-radicalize them. I don't understand. The yesterday, I don't tell them, I say, okay, even 100 of them go even tell them where the rest of them they. Because if you see they fight them, you capture them, then go give all the whole intelligence one need. You don't need any other intelligence than these people when they claim saying that them be Boko Haram and all that. So Funky D say, they import terrorists, they come to Nigerian people, they distribute them city by city. They import, they spend Nigerian hard and taxpayers' money to they take, they rehabilitate terrorists, to they take, they share terrorists, they share them all over the nation in the name of politics, in the name of power. I don't understand. The UN people, the EU people, they don't call on Borata when be the army boss say may them stop to the share terrorists in the nation, because this one are sharing of terrorists. People when they look for now, they rehabilitate, they give food, they give money, they give everything, transport, everything, where they live, and at the end of the day, go come tell us, oh, now they fight them. I don't get it. Those people are they not supposed to be in jail? People when not do anything, that they for jail. People when be say them be terrorists, now then they rehabilitate. I know, I just wonder, ladies and gentlemen. We just wonder which kind of government be this one, ladies and gentlemen. You understand? But if you not take care, you won't be Nigerian people. When don't tell us, say, make you not follow this, make you just stand up for all this impunity when they happen in Nigeria. All of us see, now joke with a joke. That's why sometimes I tell us, say, make you manage them, because that one, na, una 4+4. That one, na, una next level when all of una voted for. Una claim, so una vote for. You understand? If you not take time, I say very soon, APC then go rain fire in that country. Serious one. You know, they see where they kill themselves. Then they kill themselves, they fight themselves, they do all kinds of things. Some say, Oshomola must go. Oshomola say, no go. People, they support Oshomola. Some people say, they not support Oshomola. Then they fight, they wound themselves because of this one's life when everybody come, when not reach anything. If they see people, they die every now and then. You see, they commit crime, thinking, say, you no go die. Now the thing now, no say Jubri abi Buhari, they say Buhari no go die now, because every time now Buhari they old, you know they die. You know they die. They know that the man will not say when Funky D no say no they die in this life now. Buhari, he never die one day. He never die one day. So ladies and gentlemen, here I say I go drop this matter for. I'm gonna manage this one again. I say now the 4+4 when all of una ask for now I get. But that will not mean say Funky D no go continue to the preach, waiting in the preach. God no say where I stand. Now I don't stand. You know if he bribe me, you know if he buy me, you know if he shake me. Now sad deal. Better not be Jubri. I be Buhari. Buhari. I say now the only one man when I know since when I small say he not they ever die. One love everybody. I say make una share my video. Make una not forget to press that bell sign when they so that anytime when Funky D one upload, I'll capture my video immediately. Thank you and one love. Have a nice weekend. Bye.